Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of Asphalt Cowboys TV. Today what we have going on for you is a little bit of painting. What we want to do is get our cars ready for vibes. We want them to be all one color, no more mixed match bullshit. We're going to paint Cory's arbor fenders, which we got over here. Then we have my fenders over here. We need to do a little bit of sanding. So we're going to get to that and then start painting. So stick around. Alright guys, so what you want to do after you've gotten that all sanded, take a blowgun, blow it off, and then what you're going to do is take some thinner or some wax and grease remover and a nice rag, clean rag, with no oil on it, and you want to clean it off real good so that you don't get any impurities in your paint, so then you don't get any fish eyes or bubbles or spider cracking. We're trying to avoid all that. So, here we go.
We're going to try and take these and mount body panels on there. Alright, so this is what Tom and I are working with. He's just taking some thinner and clean them off. You heard the man here first. He thought of this. That's a pretty good idea. What's overspray? That's like saying cross-threading's the new Loctite, dude. It is. So I'm going to go ahead and help him clean these real quick. I just wanted to show you guys what we're working with. And yeah, we're going to get painting. So sit back, stay tuned. We're getting pretty fast at this, pretty good at it. Tom's a hell of a fucking painter, so the prep takes a while, but once it's time to paint, he knocks it right out of the park. So he's getting ready, he sent up all the paint stuff. What we got going on is we are doing our team color, obviously. We go with KH3. It's actually a Nissan OEM paint color for an S14. And it is 4 paint, 1 reducer, 25% reducer, as they would say. We got it at our local Hubis. Shout out to Hubis. So what we're going to do is we are going to take this cup, look for 4-1, and then mix up some paint. Tom is then going to lay down the paint, and we will finally have all black cars, both of us. He already did have all black. I did not. I've been slacking. I was supposed to do these last year, but we're doing them now. That's all that matters. So let's get to it. Alright, so got the paint open. Dave's here. What up, Dave?
Not much to mix in here. It's pretty much all black and some blue. Alright, we're going to put some fenders down. paint, bro. Two hands on the gun. What technique?
I feel like it slows me down, dude. I seriously don't know how to fucking do it. I just feel like for squares, dude.
Seat for what? Your seat?
On the trailer?
Bro, you never
Like,
seen
put it
him
back
drive like
in?
that?
Yeah, just like hand bolts and
Cory, grab the seat.
you don't have to.
I mean, I'm gonna go up and grab the planted rail for you. May as well give that to you too, right?
Alright, so Dave, you want to tell him why you're here?
I'm gonna pick this butte up and take it home.
Alright, yeah, there we go. It's short and sweet. Dave's finally here to pick up the fucking S14 A.
Language on YouTube. You're gonna get demonetized.
Dude, one of the first things they say is this meant for kids. It says no, not for kids. Seriously, that's like one of the first things it says. Yeah, whenever you go to upload it. Oh yeah, she wants to start off, dude.
That's our baby.
Church. You got jump box?
No. I got 2 legs and some arms.
Switch your battery cables.
Theft deterrent.
You make your positive black and your negative red.
Alright. So we
I
got
don't
some.
have faith in these rusty ass jumper cables.
She's alive. She's going to sweet, sweet Ohio. Man, it's a little rusty.
Hey, we can't put the windows up
Why?
because they're fucking. They're down. What's the
Today's date,
The second.
March 2nd.
Tuesday? So
Huh?
you want this on Friday or Saturday?
Fucking whatever's gonna be easier on you. Probably
Okay.
Saturday.
Saturday. All right, Dave. What would you like for dinner on Saturday?
Yeah, what's for dinner Saturday?
I'm not good at making up my mind on that stuff.
Come on, what do you want? I'll tell you what. She made some chicken tacos the other day. There. All right, tacos Saturday. Tacos Saturday. Cars here Saturday. You heard it here first, people. All right, so they're kind of just settling out what they want to do with the whole cage. What interior pieces they want. What interior pieces they don't. Mike's just chilling.
I don't know what the fuck anything's doing, man.
Yeah, he don't know what the fuck's going on. But cars on the trailer. Body panels are painted. It's been a super successful night. Somebody offered Tom $3K for that fucking shell. I say he shouldn't shell it just in case he buckles that one. But yeah. Shucks. 0% remaining. Meanwhile, I can warn you. How about that?
Break my message in my lady.
Shucks. But if you guys enjoyed the video of just painting the body panels and getting his car ready for the cage, be ready for that. Big things coming. Like we tell you, we always hype you up. I know, we always say big things come, big things come, big things come. But big things are fucking coming. As always, guys, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. We'll catch you next time.